Human beings and society, we all have pendulum swings. We see things not going well enough for ourselves, and we intentionally swing back in the other direction. And sometimes when things are going so well, we get maybe a little lazy. We revert back to the center, and we just swing back and forth. The trick, of course, is to continue our forward progress and just keep progressing. However, as a society, we are not in control of other people, and so we have pendulum swings from right to left side of politics. And it's a balancing game. And again, I made this analogy before, but it's like riding an elephant. You really have to stay in the center to be able to stay alive, not to fall down, be kicked, trampled, whatever. And so you're constantly balancing and you're going back and forth, back and forth. And it's the same thing. However, there are times when people fall off of the elephant, when they allow that swing to go so far, the momentum carries them. And this is what I'm worried about regarding society. I'm worried that the pendulum swing is so strong to the left right now that it's just going to break the clock. And I honestly believe that there are many people out there, very bad actors on the left, that are attempting to do this, that are attempting to rewrite our history, as in the 1619 Project, a fallacious account of United States history that places slavery at the center of what made America. This is false. This is not what we would narrate if an alien were to come to Earth and we were to describe America. Yes, it's a stain on America, but this is not central to America. What is central to America is the promissory note that Thomas Jefferson wrote in the Declaration of Independence that we are still trying to live up to today, that all men are created equal. And today we are ever closer to achieving that noble idea from all that time ago, that at any point in history, and at this point we are getting the strongest amount of pushback ever against it, stating that America is the most unfair society in the world, which is patently false and can only be derived from people who have never traveled anywhere else and never seen the corruption that exists in Asia, in Africa, in South America. It does. And I've been to all these places, and I've seen it firsthand, experienced it, been on the wrong end of the stick. And back to the pendulum swing. If America swings that far to the left, the clock could break. All these things that are antithetical to American freedoms, because in America the beauty is I have my individual liberty and you don't get to tell me what to do. We can agree as a society onto things that are beneficial for everybody, but you don't get to tell me what to do. This is the original meaning of the word liberal. Liberty. Liberty of the individual. This is the ethos that liberals are meant to subscribe to. However, that has been broken. You have broken through the liberal part, and the only thing in reality that's holding that pendulum from breaking the clock entirely are a few conservative values and a couple of liberals that say, hey, I see the clock breaking, but too many people are scared to stand up, to speak out against this totalitarian nonsense that is infecting our curriculum in our schools. That now the 1619 Project, which I mentioned earlier, is now being taught as course material to elementary kids, where you have teachers that are actively promoting to 4-year-olds social justice, actively attempting to get them on board the social justice train at the age of 4, infecting their minds, the most innocent people. And should someone try to do this to my son at the school, I will instantly pull him out when he gets to that age. I will not allow this type of teaching to infect his mind. I want people to realize that we have liberty, liberty of the individual. This is what's made America so great. The collectivists, they're breaking the clock. And that pendulum, let's hold that pendulum back. So my encouragement are to my true liberal friends out there. Not the people that say, I'm a liberal and I side with Antifa. I side with Black Lives Matter. No, not Marxist organizations that want to destroy the nuclear family, that said so previously on their website, that want to divide us by skin color. If the narrative, if the historical context is such that the 1619 Project takes hold in the minds of young people, then eventually they're going to say, yes, America is a horrific place. America is full of liars from the past, and this is the new reality. It's like George Orwell's 1984. Newspeak. Everything that happened in the past is altered, and then there is no historical record of what actually took place. This is literally what they're trying to do. trying to reframe. Given a Pulitzer Prize to the 1619 Project is the height of destroying the brand of Pulitzer, because it was based on lies that have been recorded by historians around the world that have come out and said so. So we need to stop the excavation out from under the clock and prevent this pendulum swing from breaking us, because I honestly feel in my lifetime, this is the worst it's ever been. I've never seen such dissent. I've never seen such discord. I can't even talk to people on the left. They can talk to me, but the moment I start talking to them, they just tell me racist, race baiter, horrible person, idiot, whatever ad hominem attack they can think of in the moment. They just throw it at you. No logic, no facts, no nothing. Facts don't care about your feelings. Let's please, liberals, help pull this pendulum back, and let's continue on down the road together of making America even better than it was. America is great. Let's make it even better. Peace and blessings to everybody out there. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with some friends, and I'd love it if you subscribe because I want to hear from you, so leave me a comment. Peace.